Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. I heard an interesting statistic today. 4.3 million people quit their jobs in August of this year of 2021. That's 3% of our entire workforce. 4.3 million people just said, bye, I'm not working anymore. Why? Because there was more motivation to stay home and not work than there is to actually go out and work. It's crazy. I mean, there's huge ships filled with containers offshore all over the United States that cannot dock. They cannot dock because there aren't employees there to receive them, to take the containers off the ships, and then there aren't enough trucks to take the ships that are there existing out of these docks, of the ports. It's insanity what's going on. And yeah, it all came from this pandemic, but why isn't our economy crashing? It's strange. We have the Consumer Price Index, it's a CPI, that's what basically tells us what's going on with inflation. It's a basket of goods. That basket of goods doesn't hold everything that we consume, yet it's gone from 5.3 to 5.4% year over year. And that's inflation is at over 5%. It's crazy. And that doesn't even factor in things like real estate, this house behind me, or cars and boats. Why are trucks and boats appreciating in value when, historically speaking, all our lives, all throughout history, you don't invest your money in a car or a boat, because investing your money in a car or a boat means you're going to lose money. You put your money in there and it's going to go down. The value is going to go down. It's going to depreciate, not appreciate. Yet boats are appreciating. I bought a boat in February. I could sell it for $10,000 more than I bought it 6 months ago. I mean, this is very, very strange what's going on with the economy. Granted, we haven't seen a pandemic in modern times. It's been almost 100 years since the last pandemic. But what's going to happen? Interest rates are going to start going up. That's going to help slow the economy. It's going to help slow the inflation. But what are going to be the negative repercussions of all these employment issues of people quitting? Yeah, there's a lot more money in circulation. There's trillions of dollars in circulation that weren't there a couple years ago. And that's not good. That's why there's inflation. But I don't know. Mortgage rates are going up. That much I can tell you because that's my expertise. But when is the next recession coming? When are we going to see all these people leaving their jobs and how that is going to impact everything in our lives? Just like the containers. Why all these ships? They can't unload their stuff. So when Christmas comes in a couple months and there's a huge influx of buyers and then there's not enough stuff, guess what? All that stuff is going to increase in price as well, because it's supply and demand. That's how free markets work. So yeah, crazy stuff. 4.3 million just, bye, I'm quitting. Mortgage Nerd out.